Hey, good morning. Thank you for finding my channel and joining me today. I'm just out and about, and we'll see what we get into. Well, the park that I wanted to go to and show you guys today, parking was absolutely insane, so I ended up downtown. Luckily, there is a farmers market going on today, so we'll go by and take a look at that.
Parking at City Hall, and it's just right over. That's causing issues in the city.
Nothing. We'll have a slice sitting back there. I'm just kidding.
Timeline and everything as far as how quickly we have to move and so on. And I don't know if they're
You have a card, and you have other creatures and vessels that you offer.
I'm here.
Okay. I like the pickup truck.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, how you going?
Fossils is the other thing that we find a lot here in Florida. Like fossils like shark teeth, bones, horse teeth. I mean, you find all kinds of fossils here, but that's about it.
How you doing today, sir?
Pretty good. How are you?
We're good. Like a sample?
No, thank you though.
Oh, I'm gonna get a
So I got daddy unique gift, I got mom a unique gift, I got Valerie a unique gift. So,
Oh, look at all the pooches. Downtown Sarasota is very dog friendly.
We're gonna go to the other half of the market.
There's a lot of food down here too. Speaking of which, I haven't eaten lunch yet. But I'm going to resist. I think we're catching the tail end of the market because I see some people, it looks like they are closing up shop or preparing to close up shop. Okay, I think this is the end of this area here.
It was better because it had a band. The band drew a bit of people.
They're the experts.
I know, no, I didn't.
And then I forgot. I don't think okay, so get back.
Should look at these plants. I need some more plants for my balcony, but unfortunately the only plants I seem to be able to keep alive are succulents and cacti, and I have plenty of them already. I might try my hand and branch out at leafy plants again. I got two that look like that. My one that looks like that is like huge now. I have to show you guys my balcony plant collection. Oh.
I know.
I love shells.
See stars in the thing?
No.
Huh?
No, there's some in the bag over there.
Give me that. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in this. I'm going to put them in this other thing.
You know what I mean? Like,
Who's there?
Where are they?
yeah, she likes.
Probably a couple delegates.
It is an absolutely beautiful day today, though. I probably should have wore a hat. I can feel my scalp baking. Definitely getting my steps in here.
Did we walk down here?
And that was the farmers market. And we're just back downtown proper, as you can see by all the little shops and stores. Downtown Sarasota has a plethora of different little shops and restaurants. You can never say you can't find anything to eat in downtown Sarasota. There's so many restaurants and bars and coffee shops, etc. down here. Oh, I like this store. I'm not gonna go in there, but I like this store. Black Obsidian dagger. Oh, they only want 300 for it. Nice. I hope you guys can see that. Oh. Candle shop. I always wanted to do that too. Take one of those classes with make my own candles. If I do end up doing that, I'll be sure to video it so you guys can watch. If any of you guys have done that before, tell me about it in the comments. Okay. Walking by all these restaurants is making me hungry, so I think I'm gonna find somewhere to stop for lunch.
We went to
What about all the boys invested in our restaurant?
No, by the way, when I say I'm downtown Sarasota, this is on Main Street, which is, of course, is the main street. But there are several other streets that radiate from Main Street that also have lots of shops and eateries. Ooh, look at that one.
yeah, okay, maybe.
I've seen the color. It was very bad.
All right, I'm gonna head back toward the vehicle now.
I'm just going to send you a bill, that's all. No, they won't. No? Well, yeah, but you'll pay it.
All right. Next stop,